If your car's aux cable suddenly stops working, it can interrupt music playback from your phone or audio device. AUX connections are simple analog audio links, but problems can occur due to dirty ports, faulty cables, or incorrect audio settings. The good news is that most aux issues can be fixed in just a few minutes without professional repair. Try these. 1. Check the aux cable. Inspect the cable for bends, cuts, or loose connectors. Try a different aux cable to rule out a faulty one. 2. Clean the aux port. Dust or lint inside the aux port can block proper contact. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean the port on both the phone and the car. 3. Confirm the correct input source. On your car stereo, switch the audio source to AUX input so the system reads the external device. 4. Check device volume and settings. Ensure your phone or music device volume is turned up and not muted. Some devices also require enabling wired headphones or external audio output. 5. Test with another device. Plug a different phone or music player into the aux port to confirm whether the problem is with the cable, the device, or the car stereo.